The first reason why Ferrari is a superior car brand is because it costs the best in terms of reliability and maintenance of the car. Then Ferrari is the superior car brand because it is the best car in terms of cost. Ferrari has set the standard for modern car brands, and they have a better racing history. By having well-trained employees who are well-educated on the goals of the process and with the ability to analyze and discuss the process, improvements can be identified in advance. To maintain its position as one of the world's most exclusive and desirable car brands, Lamborghini must create a competitive advantage that differentiates it from other high-end car manufacturers. Lamborghini's competitive advantage is its focus on design and performance. The cars of this company are among the most stylish and fastest. Mercedes-Benz cars are synonymous with luxury, quality, safety, and reliability. There's a reason why many car lovers dream of owning a Mercedes-Benz car for the rest of their lives. When it comes to safety, Mercedes-Benz is at the forefront. Its focused commitment to passenger safety is always a hot topic of conversation. These cars are equipped with unique and reliable safety features such as infrared cameras, lasers, powerful radar, and mechanical computer programs. They also undergo comprehensive testing to meet various safety standards. Compared to other luxury car brands, BMWs are often viewed as having excellent resale value due to their premium quality, high-performance engineering, and established brand reputation. This makes BMWs a good investment, as many models retain high resale value even after several years of use. BMW vehicles are renowned for their high-performance engines and precise handling, which combine to create a thrilling driving experience. Audi is recognized for its commitment to cutting-edge technology, high-performance vehicles, and elegant design. The brand has built a reputation for producing luxury cars with exceptional build quality, advanced safety features, and innovative technology. Audi cars often boast powerful engines, delivering impressive acceleration and performance across the range. The brand is associated with a sporty driving experience, offering precise handling and responsive steering. The company is known for producing some of the most luxurious sports cars in the world, known for their performance, style, and exclusivity. Bugatti's early years were marked by a series of racing victories, which helped establish the company's reputation as a leader in the automotive industry. What are the advantages of Bugatti? Owning a Bugatti provides several advantages. Bugatti cars are known for their exceptional performance, luxurious design, and exclusivity. The brand's engineering expertise and attention to detail result in high-speed capabilities, precise handling, and a unique driving experience. The main thing is, with Ford's continuous development and innovation in technology, design, and engineering, it is no surprise that Ford always stands out among other names in the automotive industry. With a century of experience in the industry, Ford has proven that anything will last a long time if it is looked after properly. Ford is one of the leading car brands in the world. This company has brought a variety of fuel-efficient and safe car and SUV models to the market. Competitive advantage is the strength and technique that keeps a company ahead of its competitors. Porsche is without a doubt a mature and passionate company with an established tradition of never being satisfied with its achievements. Porsche has a high brand presence and reputation all over the world, and Porsche is preferred by very rich elite customers because each model has a high price then. This brand has several car models, but their variants are wide, so they'd benefit from brand expansion. Rolls-Royce has the unique ability to deliver complete engine design and system integration across every sector in which we operate. We apply the latest technology to deliver engineering solutions that meet our customers' most complex and high-stakes challenges. Like Rolls-Royce, a brand known for its elegance and durability, Rolls-Royce is often chosen as the vehicle for the world's elite. In fact, some early models were designed specifically for the royal family. Rolls-Royce vehicles are handcrafted from roof to road with meticulous attention to detail. Only the best for you and your Volkswagen. We provide you with comprehensive services so you have a carefree and safe travel experience. Our range of services guarantees you the best quality, long-term competence, and constant mobility. For the most part, it's a solid, responsive, and fun car to drive, with a more premium feel than its competitors. They typically have nimble handling, a firm and comfortable ride, supportive seats, and good fit and finish.